Does anyone still look over in coins? Yeah, we only They need $1 and a quarter. Do we need a penny. Does anyone else need any? Yeah, we only have an hour. Does everyone have their coins that they need? No?
Yeah, you're sharing 2 and 3.
So you should just be, what you're going to be doing is, you're just going to be taking your coins for your penny, nickel, dime, and quarter and putting it underneath your sheet, and taking the coin and using your pencil to basically rub over the coin so you can see what the coin looks like. Obviously, you're able to observe the color from the actual coin itself, who's on the coin, which president.
So this is a great activity to do with your class for recognition of coins.
Yeah.
The pennies coming, you have to share. Yeah. We can probably give one to each person.
Did you get the dime,
Alright, let's go on to the next one.
Okay, so we're just going to finish up our tracing of the points. Everyone look up, please.
Everybody look up for a second because we're going to move on to the next activity. Okay, so we're going to hand you another worksheet, which is a potential activity to do with students when teaching about money.
This is after the students have learned about the specific bills and their value so that they can move on to learning how to use your bills and your coins to make a certain amount. It helps with their addition, their subtraction.
So we gave you one activity that would be used at the start of the lesson or the topic, and then one activity that would be used towards the end. It's a little more challenging.
And you can use the dollar bills that we handed you out just to see what it would be like for them to use the manipulatives to figure out each problem.
Tricky by putting the back on here, huh?
I'm going to challenge your mind.
It'll be used for assessment purposes.
Did you want these worksheets?
Yeah, let me see what it looks like.
So when you're done, you can just give a thumbs up.
Thank you, Melissa.
You have 3 more minutes.
Okay, we only have one more slide. Okay, everybody just wrap up for time purposes. We have to move on. Okay, we're moving on to the last and final slide.
Okay, so these would just be some of the assessment strategies when teaching money. For our formative assessment, we would have observation, questioning, and discussion. So observation, if these were activities you were going to use in your classroom for money, just walking around, making sure the students are understanding that the correct coin is going with which coin that they're shading, having them understand the different observations that they're making about the coins, questioning about all the different values of the coins, and discussions about it as well.
And then for the summative assessment, we would give a unit test or chapter test, state assessment. We would see application in other subjects and various projects relating to money. And through all of these assessments, be able to figure out where people were based on the results of the tests or the questioning, etc.
And our observations.
Right. And it's just our references.
That's it.
That's it. Any questions?
Do you guys mind if we keep these coins where they are?
Do it.
Okay.